So we're feathering.
Yeah, you start before the hair. I'm on his skin before the hair, and then I'm doing my C real fast, just to flick it out.
Your wrist? Okay.
I guess I am.
That's all wrist.
You all right, Steve?
Sleeping.
Oh, go to sleep, Steve. See, I'm creating a C, which is creating a taper.
All right. Let's see it over here. Let me get some light. I don't know if that helps at all.
So I'll just see how I'm starting before the hair, and then I'm going to come up like this. There's the C. Keep the C. Always the C. If I were to keep it straight, I would run right into his head and shave that.
So you want the C.
What's that thing? In the driveway.
A jacket.
Oh. See what I mean? But I'm starting before I hit the hair, and to make my C. And then I'm just flicking it a little.
Your Jim flicking?
Yeah. Because I'm not out to take a lot of hair out. Okay. All I want to do is take this off, this little fuzz.
What about the sideburn? Did you do that same flicking on the sideburn?
Yeah, let me. All right. See how I'm doing that? Instead of doing with scissor and comb, I'm just doing my C and flickering up. See it? See it?
Yeah.
This you do with a clipper.
Ow. That's what you have a clipper.
Why?
You said you do it with a clipper. That is a clipper.
Yeah, all I'm doing is, this would have been, I would be doing with scissor and comb right here. But I mean, I can do it without it.
It's better for me because I'm used to doing this.
Huh?
I said it's better for me because I'm used to doing it with the clipper.
Now, if I want, I could take the clipper, the outliner, and right here, using the fine teeth, just to hit the edges.
It's still on a C motion.
See it?
Okay, on this side.
See how I'm just touching a little bit? That's if I want to get closer.
Okay, that's good.
See, there.